Hello guys, welcome back to another video. How are we today? Today our topic is about Foss network infrastructure and security forward. Forward list of abbreviations, introduction to Foss and GNU, Linux network concept and architectures, major networking function with Foss, security function with Foss. Network planning for the reference closely about the outer acknowledgement about whenever I must go I we free open source software force is so important. I recount the story of Scandra. Mind you, that is not story of the mythical Extremundia, the of outplant 13th century summer capital of the Koblai grandson of Genghis Khan's empire that spanned all of Asia. I mean the software vision of Ted Nelson, a genius of the 1960s. Dexcanadu is widely acknowledged as the inspiration behind the concept of hypertext, Apple's original hypercard, and the World Wide Web. Although its original concept stemmed from technology rather than a business model, it is the latter that probably resulted in its demise. That's because Extenudio tried to become that year's digital right management scams or toll-bright solution. Each time someone clicked on a hyperlink, a 2-cent charge would credit that person's account with a small percentage going to Exquenda. For only 25 years, between war and then scientists work on some aspect of the project. In the late 1980s, Deb Walker, the CEO of Autodesk, bought into the vision and plowed through about US 24 million trying to make X Energy a shippable product. But they had a simpler and clearer vision. Tim Berners-Lee, a scientist at the European Research Centre in Geneva, working with a few collaborators, enjoined a completely new competing distributed hypertext system that became the World Wide Web. Time lobbied and fought with board members at CERN who wanted to control and license the www technology to the rest of the world. He emerged victorious and an open standard became the standard. Tim Berners-Lee correctly realized that the value of his making and upon contribution of his invention was far more important to humanity than any possible value Karen could bring with stewardship. The rest of the story is as the same history and represents the ultimate example of how force has the power to radically change our world. During the negotiation leading to the first and second phases of the World Summit on the Information Society, there was a growing realization of many government policy makers, particularly those from developing economics, of how force was an important tool to promote digital literacy and improve access to public service for their citizens.